Hello, welcome class 11 students on my channel. I know that in your respective schools classes, online classes are started, so I have decided also to release videos on the physics. Before that, I would like to say that why you should read physics and physics, how can it can be made interesting. Study of physics. What is physics? Physics is the study of nature. Physics means nature, that is study, that is the laws of nature, that which governs the natural phenomena. The laws are framed in physics. The study of those laws is the physics. From the events occurring near you and till the universe, there is physics. It has the wide scope. Its scope is very vast. I can also say that the time taken to cross the nucleus by light is around 10 to the power minus 22 seconds. And in the universe, the life-giving star is sun, and the life of sun is estimated about 10 to the power 18 seconds. So what I mean to say, that how to make physics interesting, that I will do. And don't be scared that physics is very tough. Why tough? Because before studying physics, you should know general mathematics also. At least you should know that 1 by 3 is bigger or 1 by 5. You should know the addition, subtraction, multiplication and BODMAS rule, that is how to use which sign earlier, taking LCM, sign conventions, factors, so many things. But don't be afraid of that. If you are weak in maths, you should not study physics, or physics will be very tough for you. It is not so. The measurement unit, some vehicle is, suppose its speed is given kilometer per hour, then you should know how to convert in meter per second. So these relations which you are already knowing how to implement. Before that, see any of the events. Suppose you are listening me, so through what? If you see sound, then sound is the vibrations created in air, and you cannot listen sound at the moon because there is no atmosphere. Electricity, you will be sitting in the AC or under the fan, so electricity is the physics. Geysers, electric heater, technologies in the thermodynamics, the discovery of engine. And suppose you have read in class 10 science, biological science. Science is actually, it has two branches, biological science and physical science. In physical science, you read chemistry and physics, and biological, zoology, botany. So in biology, there is also physics. You use microscope, electron microscope. So they are made up of lenses and physics. So I mean to say that physics is very important, and each phenomenon of nature, how to study, and that phenomenon where the physics is involved, you begin to think like that there is no phenomenon from your body, from the events occurring near you till the universe, there is physics. Mainly we study in two domains, from micro, that is very little at the level of atomic and nuclear level, to the macro, like the level of planets and universe. At your lab, terrestrial level, you are performing experiments in the lab. So everywhere, where is the physics involved, and how to study the natural laws, the gravitational law, in thermodynamics, in electromagnetics, X-rays, in medical sciences also. So physics is everywhere. You should have your interest in physics, and how to increase your interest, you think about every event occurring near you and in the universe also, that where is the physics, which law is involved in physics. And I think that you will take a lot of interest in physics. I am here to give you knowledge about each and every event, about every query of you that you want to know, that where in this process or in this event, where is the physics. How can I say that this in this event there is physics? So you should know a little knowledge of mathematics, simple, and the knowledge of mathematics is very essential because some results of the physics are calculated mathematically, and laws, phenomenon, experiments, they need some mathematical knowledge you should know. And I think that you will not be scared of physics. You will learn with interest that physics. And I release the video on every Monday, and I will start with the topic physical world and measurement on every Monday. I hope that you will find interest and I will be able to have your interest in physics. I will be able to develop your interest in physics, make the subject physics very, very interesting. Thank you.